Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to zoom in VLC Media Player. First, open VLC Media Player and play the video that you want to zoom. Let's say I want to zoom in this video. Just click on the tools on the top left and go to Effects and Filter. You can also press Ctrl E on the keyboard to open it. From here, just go to Video Effects and go to Geometry. In the geometry, make sure the interactive zoom is toggled on. Just click on Save and close the tab. Now from here, I can just click on the small box and zoom on any part of the video that I want to zoom. Just like this. This method allows you to zoom in on any spot of the video while it is playing. And that's it. We just learned how to use interactive zoom feature in VLC Media Player to zoom in on a video and adjust the zoom area. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.